Good morning students, I am Ravinder Singh, your maths teacher, and you know very well exercise 8C of chapter number 8 algebraic expression is going on. In last lecture question number 1 to question number 5 is complete. So today we will discuss the rest questions of exercise 8C. So firstly question number 6, simplify. So first part is 2p cube minus 3p square plus 4p minus 5 minus 6p cube plus 2p square minus 8p minus 2 plus 6p and plus 8. So firstly arrange the like term. आपको क्या करना है, like terms को arrange करना है. So 2p cube minus 6p cube and after this 3p square and plus 2p square and then 4p minus 8p and plus 6p and then minus 5 minus 2 and plus 8 plus 8. So 6 minus 2 just 4p cube and 3 minus 2 just p square and 6 4 10 minus 8 2p and 5 to 7 8 minus 7 just 1 and this is the required answer. So everyone clear beta? This question is clear? Okay. Then after this see the third part of question number 6. Third part देखने बेटा question number 6. And third part is x raised to power 4 6 raised to power 3 plus 2x minus 7 plus 7x cube minus x plus 5x square plus 2 and minus x raised to power 4. So again same method, firstly arrange the like terms. X raised to power 4 and here also x raised to power 4. So minus x raised to power 4 minus 6x raised to power 3 and plus 7x raised to power 3 as it is 5x square and after this 2x minus x and minus 7 and plus 2 and plus 2. So x को से x को कर देगा because this sign this have a plus sign and this minus, so plus minus minus कट हो जाएंगे and 7 minus 6 just 1x cube and here 5x square as it is because single term है आपके लिए 2 minus 1 just 1x and 7 minus 2 just 5x and this is the required answer. So everyone clear बेटा? सभी को clear है ये part? Okay. Now after this see the next question, question number 7. Question number 7 देखो बेटा. And question number 7 is very important. From the sum this and this subtract this. Okay. So see, from the sum these two terms की sum से तो 3x square minus 5x plus 2 plus minus 5x square minus 8x plus 6. इन दोनों के सम से हमें क्या करना है, माइनस करना है किसे, 4x square minus 9x plus 7. Okay. So firstly open the small brackets को आप ओपन करेंगे 3x square minus 5x plus 2 plus minus minus 5x square minus 8x plus 6 and this as it is. Okay बेटा? Now 5 minus 3 just 2x square and 8 and 5 13x and 6 to 8x. Okay, and this expression as it is, then open the minus sign. So minus 2x square as it is beta 13x plus 8 and minus 4x square minus minus plus 9x and minus 7. Arrange the like term. So 2x square minus 4x square minus 13x plus 9x plus 8 minus 7. So 2 and 4 just 6x square, 13 minus 9 just 4x and 8 minus 7 just 1. And this is the required solution of this question. Everyone clear beta? This question clear? Okay. So after this see the next question, question number 9. Question number 9 देखेंगे बेटा. Question number 9 is very important. So see here question number 9. And question number 9 is, what must be added to this to make the sum this? क्या नंबर ऐड करें हम कि उसे जो सम गेट हो ये मिले आपको. So firstly question number 9, let the expression to be added be x. Sorry beta, capital X. Okay, capital X. That 5x cubed minus 2x square plus 6x plus 7 plus capital X equals to 4x square minus x cube plus 3x square minus 6 minus x and plus 1. Okay, so वो नंबर क्या है हमारे पास x है. So value of x हमें फाइंड करना है. Okay, so capital X as it is, this expression same x cube plus 3x square minus x and plus 1. this expression move करेगा राइट साइड, so साइन चेंज हो जाएगा. 5x cube minus 2x square plus 6x and plus 7. Open the minus sign. So x cube as it is 3x square beta as it is minus x plus 1. Then open 5x cube minus plus 2x square plus minus 6x and minus 7. Then arrange the like terms. Like terms को आपको arrange करना है. So x cube minus 5x cube plus 3x square plus 2x square minus x minus 6x plus 1 and minus 7. Okay, so 5 से आपको 1 माइनस करेंगे आप 4x cube remaining 3 to 5x square and 6 minus and minus 1, so 7x and 7 minus 1 just 6, and this is the required answer. So everyone clear? सभी को clear बेटा? Okay. Then after this see the next question number 11. Question number 11 देखिए बेटा. Question number 11 is, what must be subtracted from this expression and to make 2 obtain a square minus 2a plus 1. Okay, so firstly let the expression to be subtracted be x. क्या लेट किया आपने? x. Okay, then so a cube minus 4a square plus 5a minus 6 and minus capital X equals to obtain a square 2a and plus 1. Okay, so a cube as it is beta minus 4a square as it is plus 5a as it is and minus 6 है. ये x मूव करेगा राइट साइड और ये all टर्म्स इस साइड मूव करेंगे मींस लेफ्ट साइड. So साइन चेंज हो जाएगा. Okay, then arrange the like terms. So a cube minus 4a square minus a square plus 5a plus 2a minus 6 and minus 1 equals to x. So beta a cube as it is 4 and 1 5, a cube a square 5 to 7a and minus 6 minus 1 just 7, and this is the required answer. Okay, so everyone clear beta? Now after this see the question number 13. Question number 13 देखिए बेटा. And question number 13 is, how much less than this is 2x minus 4y and minus z. Okay, question number 13. X minus 2y plus 3z minus minus 4y minus z. Clear beta? Now open the minus sign. Minus x minus 2y plus 3z. Open the this bracket. So 2x minus plus 4y and minus plus z. So x minus 2x minus 2y plus 4y plus 3z and plus z. Arrange the like term. So 2x से x minus करेंगे just x, 4y से 2y minus करेंगे just 2y and 3 and 1 4z. And this is the required answer. Clear beta? Everyone clear beta? Okay. And then after this see the question number 15. Question number 15 देखिए बेटा. And question number 15 is subtract the sum of this and this from the sum of this and this. Okay. So firstly 12x minus y plus 3z and plus sign minus 3x plus 5y minus 8z. दोनों को सम करना है. देन माइनस क्या माइनस करना है दोनों के सम से? 5x minus 4y plus 6z and plus minus 8x plus y minus 2z. Okay ना? Yes. Firstly, open the small brackets. 12x minus y plus 3z minus 3x plus 5y minus 8z. Then same here. 5x minus 4y plus 6z minus 8x plus y and minus 2z. Clear beta? Okay. Now 12 minus 3 9x, 5 minus 1 4y and 8z minus 3z 5z. And here also same. 8 minus 5 just 3x, 4 minus 1 just 3y, 6 minus 2z just 4z. So 9x as it is beta, 4y as it is, minus 5z as it is. Open the minus sign. 3x plus 3y and minus 4z. Clear beta? Okay. Then arrange the like terms. So 9x plus 3x, 4y plus 3y and minus 5z minus 4z. So 9 and 3 12x, 4 3 7y and 5 minus, both are minus, so 5 and 4 9z. 9z. And this is the required answer. Okay beta? Now see the last question of this exercise, question number 17. Question number 17 देखिए बेटा. Question number 17 is the last question of this exercise. And question number 17 is by how much does 1x eat 2x minus 3y minus 4? So 1 minus 2x minus 3y minus 4. So 1 as it is, open the minus sign. So minus minus plus and minus minus plus. So 1 plus 4 minus 2x plus 3y. So 1 and 4, 5 minus 2x and plus 3y. Okay beta? And this is the required answer. So beta, today work is closed. Have a nice day beta. Thank you.